Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Make It Simple. The song is simple, the artist is India ARIE, and the choreography is Earl Miller Jr. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Please check out the choreographer instructional, and also I'll post my instructional at the end of this dance. Here we go. And there you go. Make it simple. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.